Right, Chrysler 300C, how to change light bulb in side positioning lights. As you can see, this one here doesn't work. Well, I'll turn the camera light off. Right, without flash on the camera, now you can see this side doesn't work. This side works. And this side doesn't. So to do it, turn the wheel to the left if it's the right hand side. You have to undo these little clips with a flat screwdriver. Needs to be like sharp flat screwdriver. Get behind that little screw and praise it open, and that will release the tension on the other side. I tried unscrewing them before with a screwdriver, with a Phillips, and it would not do it. So it really needs to be praised open. And do anything like a sharp blade or something. Long nose pliers, maybe. Then once that is done, you can actually access the back of that light. I'll undo this one here from the rear spoiler. Get my hand in. Right, there's a little LED one. I'm going to try sliding on. We'll need 2 hands for this. Right, there you go, a little LED bulb. I managed to pull it out. So go back in there. Right, now I'm going to try to put that back in. So, can you see it? It goes into the back of the light. Right, there it is. So you put it in like that, and quarter turn, and that's secured. Right, once the bulb is installed, all we need to do, put all these clips back in. So the bottom one has to be done with 2 hands. Right, sorry for that. The bottom one has to be done with 2 hands. The other ones, they literally just line up the holes and push the little clip in, just like that, like that. They're all fixed, and we have working light on both sides. Cool. Thank you for watching.